Welcome to Wise Gains YouTube channel. What are depositories? A place or entity that holds financial securities in a dematerialized form. Definition of depositories. Depositories are buildings, offices, and warehouses that allow consumers and businesses to deposit money, securities, and other valuable assets for safekeeping. Depositories in stock market, an entity that holds financial securities in a dematerialized form. Depositories in banking, a place to deposit or place assets such as cash or securities. Functions of depositories, a connection between the public companies that issue financial securities and the investors or shareholders. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to keep discovering, learning, and exploring with us, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update.